Greetings viewers, and welcome to Mukdahan City. I am enjoying my wonderful view of the Mukdahan Tower from my 4th floor balcony room here at the Mukda View. Let's jump across the street and check out the Mukdahan Tower on CoffeeChillTV. There she blows. The Mukdahan Tower. Let me tell you, it's cool, crisp and sunny. It's a lovely little weather combination. Just perfect for a bit of power tourism. So before I even step foot inside the tower, I'm really enjoying the water features, the statues, the ornaments, the paintings, sculptures, and you know what? How nice are the plants? Nice variety of trees and shrubs and hedges and flowers and you know, fantastic, isn't it? What a great spot. Let's check out more of the Mukdahan Tower. And we love a good footbridge on CoffeeChillTV. Let's we've had a big night last night, so better take it easy. Safety first. There we go. Well, it's a bit steep. Excuse any bumpy, dodgy camera work there, folks. It's like a little oasis, isn't it? In the city. Tell you what a nice place to chill out here in the let's call them the parklands, the botanical gardens that buttress the mighty Mukdahan Tower. So I don't know about you, but one of my favourite small trees is the frangipani. I love the flowers, I love the lush green leaves, I love the smell of the flowers on frangipani trees. We've got a nice little row of frangipanis here. Lovely. It's got to be a dinosaur, of course. Liking the work on the hedges here too. Well, folks, that was a fizzer. You can't go to the top viewing platform here at the moment. There's maintenance and repair, and it won't open for maybe a week. Website says it's open. There you go. I've got many other sites to check out in Mukdahan, and we'll call this the Mukdahan Tower Parklands vlog and museum vlog, and we'll come back to the viewing platform next time. And we'll see you again soon on CoffeeChillTV. Cheers.